Hey, today I'd like to show you the Fly More kit for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. It comes in this nice bag which is made of this fabric which should repel water, so it should be rainproof, easy to clean, stuff like that. It has many compartments. As you can see, you've got two mesh pockets on the outside here. When you open this thing up, there's another pocket up front here, which is great for the extra propellers as well as the longer cables. And when we open the main compartment, you've got another pocket here at the top, which is great for your SD cards, SD card readers, things like that, as well as the shorter cables. And the main compartment here fits your drone, and here you can fit two extra batteries inside, as well as the controller and the charger. So everything you need really for the full day of shooting, you fit in here. So what else you get? You get those two extra batteries for your Mavic, so you've got 3 total now. It's 90 minutes of flight time, so that's amazing. You get a set of propellers, as well as the charging hub. Looks really nice. You just open it like that and it fits 4 Mavic batteries. So when you want to charge all of your batteries overnight, you just pop them in, plug it in, and you don't have to worry about changing anything. It's just going to charge up. It starts with the most charged batteries, so you can fly as soon as possible. And lastly, in the Fly More kit, you get this 12-volt charger for your Mavic. So if you are on the go, on the shoot, you can just plug it in your car. It goes into cigarette light port and charges up your batteries so that you don't have to worry about AC power. Now let's have a look at how to fit everything in the bag, because the bag actually on the first side looks pretty small, so let's have a look at how to fit everything inside. So as I've said, the front pocket I'm using for the propellers, so just put them in, I just leave them there, and I put the long cable to connect your drone with the computer in, because it seems much easier for me than to have to manipulate with the tiny micro SD card which is in there. I find the easiest to put the drone in first. I think the order doesn't really matter, but this just seems the easiest for me. So you put it in with the camera facing down, just slide it in like so. Be careful not to catch anywhere with the propellers. Like that, it is in. Now we can open this and fit the batteries inside. Right inside, then we just close this one up, and now we can put our controller in here like so, as well as the charger. Now everything kind of sticks out in here, so it seems like it's not gonna fit in, but on the top here you've got this little lip which covers everything really nicely. So you just take it and zip it in there, nice and easy, and off you go. Right, so thank you very much for watching and see you later. Bye!